Hello, friends! Today, let's create a joyful Christmas together. I've got some fun and easy activities for us. Shall we do them together? Make Santa's hat. Create a simple Santa hat using paper or plastic. Use pink, white, and red paper to craft the hat and trim it with Christmas colors for extra fun. When using scissors, be sure to do it with your parents. Make Christmas cookies. Decorate cookies with tangy strawberry jam or sweet chocolate. Create your special cookies and have fun decorating them with your creativity. Make Christmas cards. Decorate cards using paper, colored pencils, and whiteboard markers. Draw on your favorite colored paper and add a warm message to the Christmas cards you'll be giving to family and friends. Sing Christmas carols. Gather the family and sing Christmas carols for an even more special atmosphere. Enjoy singing together with your family. Christmas story time. Read Christmas stories and create precious moments with your family. There's great happiness in small stories. Sitting in front of the Christmas tree together will make it even more special. Let's make Christmas more special with these enjoyable activities. Wishing you all a wonderful Christmas.